Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss about Ansible Tower and we will also see how to install and configure this Ansible on Linux operating system. So let's start. Ansible Tower is a web-based solution that makes Ansible even more easy to use for IT and automation for multiple tasks. Ansible Tower easy to use UI, dashboard and REST API for Ansible. Ansible Tower centralizes your Ansible infrastructure from modern UI feature role-based access control, job scheduling, and graphical inventory management. So simply you can say Ansible will provide you a GUI platform where you can configure your playbook, you can run your playbook as per your requirement. So first of all, we'll see how to install this Ansible, right? So I have captured some steps, like step 1 to update system and add EPEL repository, that is extra package for enterprise Linux. So you can use this command yum-y update and yum-y install EPEL-release. Now you have to download the Ansible file, right? So first of all, you can create any directory mkdir-temp/tower, okay? And you can just navigate into that directory cd/temp/tower. Now we'll have to download latest Ansible Tower setup directly from internet. So you can use this command curl-k-O and then the path where you want to download the Ansible Tower setup. So this setup is in tar format, right? You'll have to extract this file, so you can use xvf command to extract this Ansible Tower setup. Once this setup extracted, you will get the files which will help you to install the Ansible Tower. So use cd Ansible Tower setup to navigate into this directory which is created once you extract this setup, and then you will get inventory file. Just edit this inventory file using vim command and set the required credentials, okay? And you will have to run a script which is also available under this directory. So you'll have to run this script. It will automatically install your Ansible Tower on your Linux system, right? Guys, once the Ansible Tower installed successfully, then we'll have to configure this Ansible Tower. So to configure it, open any of the browser and put the IP address of your Ansible Tower, or you can use the host name via HTTPS protocol, and your username and password will appear on the screen. And now you can log in into it and configure accordingly. Let's open your Ansible server and perform all this CLI command on your Ansible server to install Ansible Tower. Guys, before installing Ansible Tower, let's have a look on its prerequisite. So memory should be 4 GB, processor vary from 2 to 4, and your hard disk should be minimum 20 GB. I have taken here 30 GB. So these are the three parameters you should focus before installing it. So just I'm clicking OK over here. Now we will start installing this Ansible Tower. So I have opened the server in a putty. I'm just opening my putty terminal. You can see. So I have just taken Ansible underscore tower as a host name. Guys, I have already updated yum and installed EPEL repository. Now we will create a directory in /temp. So use mkdir/temp/tower. Okay, tower is the directory. Now navigate into this folder temp/tower, and we will install our Ansible setup. So use curl command to install it, hyphen small k hyphen capital O, and then the URL. So see this command installing the setup. So setup installed successfully. Now just check using ll. You can see the setup is installed, right? But this is in zip format, tar.gz. Now we'll have to unzip it. So use tar hyphen xvf and then setup and enter. So it will unzip all the required folder and file which will help you to install the setup, and then just check this star file has been extracted. Just list it again. So we have this directory which has all the important file and folder. So just navigate into it. Table and 3 again list this directory. So these are the important files and directory which will help us to install our Ansible setup, right? Now we will edit this inventory file first and set the password. So you can see admin underscore password. Just insert and enter any password. I'm just using by default root123, and we'll also change here root@123. You can use any password, right? And last @123. Now this password will help you to log in into this Ansible tower. Okay, I'm just saving it, and you only have to run this setup. So this is the script which is written to install the Ansible tower. Now we will run this script and we are done. Now this script will run and install the Ansible setup. Okay, it will take some time and install the setup for you. So you can check all the tasks which is there to install, and will show you all the messages whether it has any error or what it is installing and everything. So you can check on your system as well. As we have successfully installed Ansible Tower setup, once this setup completed successfully, you will see exactly the same screen, right, where you can see this message, the setup process completed successfully, and you will also get this log, right, which is saved in var log slash tower slash the setup, right, dot log. You'll have to remember one more thing: this setup will take around 8 to 10 minutes to complete all the tasks. As you can scroll up and see a lot of tasks is completed by this setup, including postfix, database, and a lot of binaries and library files being installed on the server. So normally it will take time, and what is done, you have already seen the screen, right? This will appear after completing the setup. So guys, we have successfully installed Ansible Tower. Now we will open any of the browser and open this setup, right? So enter the IP address of your Ansible Tower and you will get the login page, right? So see, we get the login page, welcome to Ansible Tower, and this is Red Hat Ansible automation platform, right? Now you will have to enter your username. So admin is the username, and password, if you remember whatever the password you entered in your inventory file, you will have to enter over here. So the password is this, and just sign in. Whenever you log in for the very first time, it will ask you for the license. So you have three ways to get the license. First, you can request for the license. If you have any license file, you can browse and insert here. And if you have your user account and the password, you can also get the license from here. So you can also request by entering here. You will get the Red Hat page where you can get 60 days license. So you can click on the start trial license. So I have the license key, so I will not click, but you can get from here as well, or you can use your Red Hat email ID over here and just enter the password over here. So whatever the password you have registered with your Red Hat account, you can use that password and get the license. So for now, I'm not doing this. It's very simple. You just have to enter get license. It will show you a radio button. Just you have to select that and just agree the term and licenses, right? And then submit. So like that, you can get the license and it will redirect to your login page. So I will directly go to the login page now. I will directly log into the Ansible Tower and check out its feature and dashboard. So write the username and the password, sign in. Now you will get your Ansible Tower. So here is your Ansible Tower. So you will see this screen. There is a dashboard, there is the jobs, schedules, my view, and you will get template. Okay, there is a demo job template. You can run this template as well. You can create your own template. You can create your credentials as well. You can create your project. You can create a lot of things, like you can create inventories. So you have role-based access control as well. So you can create users who can run on this Ansible Tower. So if you have like 10, 15 users in your organization, you can create their own users and they can use that user and credential to run the playbook. And a lot of project you can define over here. It'll help you to create multiple tasks and perform on multiple hosts. So you only have to just click on inventories. You can define your host over here. Just go and edit your host information. You can also create group in it. So if you have a lot of groups, you can define your group and just add IP address in it, and you can fire any command. You can even create any playbook, any module, and run on any of the host. So it's become very simple to you. You can use this. Hope you understand well how to install and configure Ansible Tower. So guys, if you have any question or concern, please comment in the comment section, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.